Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 6'2", you already know. KD to the world, from the Crocodile City with lover. Gas, yeah, the vibe is different here. Let's go. Cruising down Constitution Road, windows down low. My Kaduna brothers, always ready for the show. Dagabanawa to Malali, the swag is on point. Hustle for the naira, then we chill at the joint. Hard-working fellas, but what's that in their eyes? But when the weekend hits, sun fit, I know the skies. In the car will fly over, see the motorcade glide. With the shadow well iron, rocking KD pride. Abokina in a Jindadi when the squad is all here. The loyalty is deep, we don't have no fear. From the football pitches to the business schemes, KD boys are chasing big, legendary. Oh, KD,
Daddy, Garin Koa. The boys are chill and the girls are Kyauko. Wayasani Bakaria. English and Hausa, we mix it for the soul. Kaduna vibe, yeah, we're taking control. In a cookie, we're shining so bright in the heart of the north, with the city of light.
Now let's talk about the ladies, the queens of the north. With Azaria grace, when they're stepping forth, natural beauty. Babukata, too much paint. With a smile so sweet, it could make a sinner a saint. Whether in a hijab or the stylish new dress, the KD girls represent their absolute best. One in shower, see them moving with class, intelligence and beauty at the top of the glass. From Tudunwada to the Sultan Bello way, they're making big moves every single day. May Labari, she's the boss, she's the star. Driving through independence, she's going so far.
Garin Koa. The boys are chill and the girls are Kyauko. Wayasani Bakaria. Oh, English and Hausa, we mix it for the soul. Kaduna vibes, yeah, we're taking control. In a cookie, we're shining so bright in the heart of the north, with the city of light.
Yeah. Sakine know it's the KD energy. Kurane know it's just this synergy. Black and white, we live in harmony. This is the rhythm, this is our symphony.
Yo, yeah, at Leventis or hang out at the mall. In the 062, we're standing 10 feet tall. So yeah, in the air when the sun goes down. There's no better feeling than being in this town.
Munatari to the thick and the thin, with a heart full of gold and a soul meant to win. So if you're from the KD, put your hands in the air. For the guys and the girls that love beyond compare.
Science, but the vibe never ends. Shout out to my brothers and my beautiful friends. Kaduna State, the center of learning and the center of styling. Yeah.
Obviously too, we out. But wait till 633 South 64, call us for new album.
Garin Koa. The boys are chill and the girls are Kyauko.